My people, welcome to MalPensando's tip of the week. This week's tip is commitment. This basically means that you need to put 100% of attitude into everything you do on stage in front of any audience. If you already know your material by heart 100%, perfect. Now you need to deliver it with compromise. Believe in your material and then people will believe in the message. And let me tell you a little secret. It doesn't matter if you learn your speech by heart or not. If you put commitment and attitude into how you deliver the material, people are going to be like, oh wow, he actually knows what he's talking about, because it shows confidence. If you're going to act out a dog, don't be like, ruff, ruff, no! Ruff, ruff, If you're going to talk about dancing, don't be like, the other day I was dancing. No! The other day I was dancing like, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh, oh. And if you're dealing with questions, don't be shy. Don't be like, yeah, do you have any questions? No. Hey, you. Yes. So tell me what the question is so that I can give you an answer. It doesn't matter if you feel that you're going to fail on stage in front of an audience. Fail with commitment. Fail with attitude. Fail in style.